Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Once again, welcome my dear students to the online session of mathematics. Our today's lesson is estimate and measure metric mass, page number 867. Please open page number 867 about estimate and measure metric mass. Compare, use greater, less or equal sign to make a true statement. We have given three signs: greater, lesser or equal. Question number 6. 1500 grams is greater than 1 kilograms. We will change the kilogram into grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. How much? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. It means if you want to convert kilogram into gram, we have to multiply by 1000. Next is 7. 3000 grams. One side and other side is 3 kilograms. Now we will change 3 kilograms into gram and then we will decide they are equal or greater or less. 3 multiply, you see the working in the second line, 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3000 grams. Both are same. One side is 3000 grams and other side is 3 kilograms, that is 3000 grams. Both are same. We will put the sign of equal. In number 8, one side is 4000 grams, other side is 3 kilograms. We will convert 3 kilograms into grams and then we will decide about the sign from the given options. 3 kilogram is equal to, you know well that we have to multiply by 1000. Why? Because when you convert kilograms to grams, you have to multiply by 1000. 3 multiplied by 1000 is 3000 grams. Our left side is 4000 grams and the right side is 3 kilogram, that will be 3000 gram. From this conversion, we can say that 4000 grams is greater than 3 kilograms. Now we have number 9. 3700 grams and other side is 4 kilograms. By using the same method, we are changing kilograms into grams. Multiply by 1000. 4 multiplied by 1000 is 4000 grams. So we can say that 3000 grams is lesser than 4 kilograms. Number 10. 5 kilograms is lesser than 6000 grams. See the working. 5 kilograms multiplied by 1000 equals to 5 ones are 5 and 3 times 0, you will get 5000 grams. 5 multiplied by 1000 is 5000 grams. We can say that 5 kilograms is lesser than 6000 grams. Why? Because 5 kilograms is 5,000 and other side is 6,000. So 5 kilogram is lesser than 6,000 gram. Next number is 11. 3.5 kilograms is greater than, put a sign of greater than 3,000 grams. In the second line we have the conversion. 3.5 multiplied by 1000 equals to 3,500 gram. By the above calculation, we can say that 3.5 kilograms is greater than 3,000 grams. Number 12. 2,005 kilograms equals to 2,500 grams. In the second line, we are going to change kilograms into grams. 2.5 multiplied by how much? 1000, right? 2.5 multiplied by 1000 is 2,500 grams. So both are equal. We'll put the sign of equal. Our last number is 13. 3.25 kilograms and other side is 3,300 grams. What we will do first we will make both the units same. One side is grams, other side is kilograms. We will convert kilograms into grams, then both the side will be in gram. Then we will decide our sign from the given options. 3.25 multiplied by 1000 is 3,250 grams. Three 0.25 multiplied by 1000 equals to 3,250 grams. Now we can say that 3.25 kilograms is lesser than 3,300 grams. Now my dear students, some homework for you. Page 869. Compare, use greater, lesser or equal to make a true statement. You will use the same method of conversion, and there are 4 questions in page number 869. You will solve accordingly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.